Good morning to all. Today we will learn over voltages and how to protect our power system from these over voltages or voltage surges. There is always a chance that electrical power system is suffering from over voltages due to one reason or the other. These abnormal over voltages may be caused due to various reasons like sudden interruption of heavy load, lightning impulses or switching impulses. So these voltage stresses may damage the insulation of various equipments and insulators of power system. Although all over voltage stresses are not strong enough that they can damage insulation, but still these over voltages can also be avoided to ensure smooth operation of electrical power system. So we can avoid these abnormal voltages by the means of various over voltage protection methods. So what is voltage surge? We can also call it as a transient voltage. It is defined as the sudden rise of the voltage to a high peak in a very short duration. These voltage surges are transient in nature, means they are of very short duration and they may seriously affect the power system. So these are some main causes of voltage surges or transients. जो पहला cause है that is lightning impulses, that is lightning from the cloud. This may seriously affect the power system, so protection from lightning surges is very important. Then is switching impulses. The other causes includes insulation failure, arcing grounds, resonance, etc. But these will not affect the system to large extent because their magnitude is not so large. They hardly cross the twice the normal level. So if the insulation is proper on the equipment, so it is sufficient to prevent any damage due to these other causes. But from lightning and switching impulses, we need protection. So the over voltages which occur on the power system due to lightning is very high. So if we are not providing any protection against these over voltages, it may damage the system. Therefore, the over voltage protection devices are needed for protecting power system uh, from these lightning surges. Different causes of over voltages. पहला है स्विचिंग ऑन और ऑफ द ट्रांसमिशन लाइन. जैसा कि अगर हम नो लोड ट्रांसमिशन लाइन को सडनली स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो जो वोल्टेज है दैट बिकम ट्वाइस ऑफ नॉर्मल द सिस्टम वोल्टेज. सो दीज वोल्टेजेस आर ट्रांजिएंट इन नेचर. सिमिलरली जब लोडेड लाइन को हम सडनली स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तब भी वोल्टेज है जो दैट बिकम very high. So this is one cause for the over voltages. Next cause is the insulation failure. Insulation failure की वजह से जो लाइव कंडक्टर है वो अर्थ हो जाएगा. तो this may cause the sudden rise in voltage. Then is the condition of resonance. Resonance में क्या है, जो कैपेसिटिव रिएक्टेंस है एंड जो इंडक्टिव रिएक्टेंस है at certain point, at certain frequencies, they both will become equal. So at resonance, the capacitive reactance and inductive reactance become equal at certain frequency. So they will cancel out each other. अब जो सर्किट में बच गया वो सिर्फ रेजिस्टिव इफेक्ट है. So due to this resonance, जो रेजिस्टिव इफेक्ट की वजह से जो सिस्टम वोल्टेज है it will increase, means over voltages may occur on the system. तो जितने भी हमने अभी कॉजेज किए हैं ओवर वोल्टेज के, इनका मैग्नीट्यूड ज़्यादा हाई नहीं होता, बट जो ओवर वोल्टेजेस लाइटनिंग की वजह से होते हैं दे आर ऑफ वेरी हाई एम्पलीट्यूड एंड दे आर डिस्ट्रक्टिव ऑल्सो. सो जो इफेक्ट ऑफ लाइटनिंग इम्पल्सिस हैं दे शुड बी अवॉइडेड फॉर ओवर वोल्टेज बाय ओवर वोल्टेज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पावर सिस्टम्स. थैंक यू.